sessions that they're starting now. Very
No
warm the next
kidding.
few weeks.
And I think
long
that's
way to go
good,
to December.
right? Yeah, long way. You know, at least the big runs in December. But isn't training in the heat better?
So
Jacob?
I'm told.
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh,
he
they say
says
it's supposed to
I
be.
think it's supposed to be, right?
Okay.
Jacob, our
We'll take a hard pass on
elevation
that
training
Yeah.
too.
The heat.
Yeah, I've been seeing Jacob doing laps around the building, getting ready. Our 10 o'clock producer is going to be the marathon winner. I'm
is.
declaring it now.
Yeah.
Come
Go,
on, Jacob.
Jacob.
Make us
Don't let us
proud.
down. Make us proud. All right, outside today, something happened in San Antonio that hasn't happened in 8 weeks, guys, and that's where we're going to start. San Antonio International on this Thursday night. It's Baby Friday, and we're also looking at the weekend forecast, but here it is, the first triple digit of summer. 100 today. So this is the fourth of the season. Remember, we hit 100 and even a little bit more 3 times back in May, and that's spring. But today, 100 is the first of summer. 104 is the record. That stays in the books from 1934. That's an old record. It's still 93 at Lackland Air Force Base tonight. 86 out at Randolph, 90 Timberwood Park and here in the city. Still feels like 98 in Pearsall at this hour. Still feels like 96 on the Rio Grande, 98 Cotulla, 97 even at Floresville. Incredible heat indices. But at least you have a nice breeze. It's an east-southeast wind, so it's a humid one, about 10 to 12 miles per hour. 90 on the thermometer in the city. Skies are mostly clear. And with those southeast winds continuing, the dew points aren't going anywhere. So this heat, this humidity isn't going anywhere. Make sure you're hydrating tonight and even first thing tomorrow. Make sure a good cold water is how you start your day, just to be prepared. There's a lot of moisture coming in from the east. So one thing that's going to happen because of this, temperatures will come down a few degrees. Remember, when we put more moisture in the air and there's more evaporation, evaporation is a cooling process. So as we add all this Gulf moisture that's pushing in from the east, we're definitely going to see temperatures drop a few. So even though we hit 100 today, it's going to be a while before we hit it again. Now, that moisture source is this tropical wave. Now, this is really having trouble getting its legs under it and forming. Still only about a 10 to 20% chance it does become Dexter. If it were to drift a little farther south, get into some deeper, warmer water, maybe, but as long as it's close to the coast, the shallow water, the friction with land, it really struggles to develop. But from this wide view, I want to show you that you see how these showers are moving around the center of the low. And they're kind of moving, again, counterclockwise, wrapping around, real heavy rain and even severe thunderstorms in Lake Charles today. Well, that's what's going to hopefully get us some rainfall. We could use it. You can see that the showers start up around Columbus, maybe to Hallettsville and Gonzales on Friday. That's why there's only a 10% chance for us Friday. But we'll get a better chance on Saturday as it spreads out a little bit more. And again, that counterclockwise spin around the center of that low. So I think it'll be again on Saturday. All right, you know, back in mid-March, we were in the rough. Look at this. I mean, so many counties in exceptional drought. Well, look at the difference today. New drought report. We're right down the middle of the fairway. We're getting much better. In fact, we've got severe and extreme drought still in San Antonio, Medina County, still at exceptional status. All right, 14-day forecast. Rain chance, again, 10% tomorrow. Best is on Saturday. Still, best is only 30%. And notice, again, highs are coming down below 100, but then cranking right back up when we drop those rain chances for the final days of July. We'll even begin August with a slight chance of a sea breeze shower.